Friends, today you will have a geography quiz. You will have 8 seconds to answer each question. Let's begin. How do you call a group of islands? Fjord. Water area. Lagoon. Archipelago. Archipelagos typically consist of islands that are close to each other and share common geological or geographical characteristics. What is Jutland? Desert. Mountain. Peninsula. River. Jutland is a peninsula in northern Europe that forms the majority of Denmark's territory and a small part of northern Germany. Which country is not an island nation? Mali. Sri Lanka. Ireland. Indonesia. Mali is located on the African continent, while Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and Ireland are island nations. Which of these countries has access to the ocean? Laos. Mauritania. Zambia. Paraguay. Mauritania. Paraguay, Laos, and Zambia are landlocked, while Mauritania is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west. What is the highest point in Antarctica called? Mount Everest. Vinson Massif. Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount McKinley. Vinson Massif. Vinson Massif is the highest peak in Antarctica, standing at 4,892 meters, 16,050 feet, above sea level. The massif was discovered in 1958 and is named after Carl Vinson, a U.S. congressman who was a strong supporter of Antarctic exploration. Where are the Andes located? North America. South America. Australia. Africa. South America. The Andes stretch across the territories of 7 South American countries: Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Which sea is not on the world map? Red Sea. Yellow Sea. Blue Sea. White Sea. Blue Sea. The Red Sea is located between the Arabian Peninsula and Africa. The Yellow Sea is off the east coast of Asia, west of the Korean Peninsula, and the White Sea is in the northern part of European Russia. The Blue Sea is not on the map. Which desert is located in Africa? Gobi Desert. Kalahari Desert. Atacama Desert. Mojave Desert. Kalahari Desert. The Kalahari Desert is located in Africa, covering approximately 8% of the continent's total area and is continuously expanding. Which strait is located in South America? English Channel. Bering Strait. Bosphorus. Magellan Strait. Magellan Strait. Magellan Strait is located at the southern tip of South America, between the mainland, specifically Chile, and the Tierra del Fuego archipelago. Which country does France not border? Austria. Italy. Belgium. Switzerland. Austria. France shares a border with Italy, Belgium, and Switzerland. However, France does not have a border with Austria. Tasmania is part of which country? Australia, Indonesia, New Zealand, Malaysia. Australia. Tasmania is an island and a state within the Australian Union. It was discovered by Abel Tasman in 1642. Which country do the Canary Islands belong to? Spain, France, Ireland, Portugal. Spain. The Canary Islands are an archipelago located off the northwest coast of Africa and are an autonomous community of Spain. On which peninsula is Italy located? Iberian Peninsula, Balkan Peninsula, Scandinavian Peninsula, Apennine Peninsula. Apennine Peninsula. Italy is located on the Apennine Peninsula. The peninsula is characterized by mountainous terrain, especially the Apennine Mountains, which stretch along the peninsula. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon in the USA? Rio Grande, Mississippi, Colorado, Columbia. Colorado. The Grand Canyon in the USA was formed by the Colorado River and is one of the deepest canyons in the world, with a maximum depth of 1,857 meters. In which country is the Suez Canal located? Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, Greece. Egypt. The Suez Canal is located in Egypt and connects the Mediterranean Sea with the Red Sea. The Suez Canal is of immense importance to global trade, as it eliminates the need to sail around Africa to reach the Mediterranean Sea. Which country does not have a capital? Tonga, Suriname, Nauru, Cameroon. Nauru. Nauru is a small island nation in the Pacific Ocean, known as the third smallest country in the world by land area. It is unique in that it has no official capital. To which country does the Zanzibar archipelago belong? Kenya, Tanzania, Mozambique, Madagascar. Tanzania. The Zanzibar archipelago is located in the Indian Ocean and consists of 75 islands. It belongs to the United Republic of Tanzania. Which river is the longest in the world? Nile, Amazon, Yangtze, Mississippi. Nile. The Nile River is traditionally considered the longest river in the world, stretching about 6,650 kilometers, 4,130 miles. It flows through northeastern Africa, primarily through Egypt and Sudan, before emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? Monaco, Vatican City, San Marino, Liechtenstein. Vatican City. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world by land area, covering just about 44 hectares, 110 acres. It is an independent city-state entirely surrounded by Rome, Italy. Vatican City is the spiritual and administrative center of the Roman Catholic Church and serves as the residence of the Pope. Which country is known as the Land of the Rising Sun? China, South Korea, Japan, Thailand. Japan. Japan is often referred to as the Land of the Rising Sun because the kanji characters that make up Japan's name mean origin of the sun. This nickname also reflects Japan's location as one of the easternmost countries in Asia, where the sun rises early compared to other regions. Which desert is the largest in the world? Sahara, Gobi, Arabian, Antarctic. Antarctic. The Antarctic Desert is the largest desert in the world, covering approximately 14 million square kilometers, 5.4 million square miles. Despite being covered in ice, Antarctica qualifies as a desert because it receives very little precipitation, less than 20 millimeters, 0.8 inches, of rain annually in some areas.